Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and page. I greet you according to your time. My people, Ned Nwoko don fire Annie oh. Hey hey. Ned don fire Annie, no be small thing. You guys know that Annie and Regina, they are now best of friends. Of course, when Regina Daniel left Ned Nwoko, that time we heard that she stays in Lagos in a house of a skit maker like that. They said that during that period, she visited Annie. And you know that was when Annie just returned back from India and was recovering. So Regina Daniel visited her and spent a lot of time with her. So this time around, I think that time Annie promised Regina that she will come, that she will also visit her. For Regina to make her time to visit her and spend time with her, that she too will come. And since then, we heard that Annie went to Regina Daniel's house and they have been staying for maybe like a day or two now. But something happened. Despite the fact that Regina Daniel and Annie have a plan, and their plan is not a negative one, they say that they have one business that they want to run together, one big business that they want to run. And they are in they are in Regina Daniel's house right now. So planning the business and making themselves feel happy, just to forget about the world, because Regina Daniel have her own burden while Annie have her own burden. Annie's burden is that Natasha collected two baba from her, and she doesn't want to let two baba go seriously. But the way two baba is taking it, two baba is taking it as to be so serious that I know that if she comes back, she's going to come after me, and she loved me so much. She cannot do without me. So people have been advising Annie that she should forget about Tubaba. Yes, since Tubaba thought that without him, Annie cannot survive. That Annie should show him that she can survive. So Annie decided to go anywhere that she will now go that will make her happy. That is what she do. Anything she wants to do that will make her happy, that is what she will do. So, but as these two were in Regina Daniel's house planning their business, Ned Nwoko carry his own come o. I don't know wetin this man want, because this time around we are hearing that he denied the pregnancy. He denied that he's not the father to the child that Regina Daniel was having. That Regina Daniel must swear with that pregnancy that no man ever touched her. Hmm. Regina said that whether pregnant or not, I'm not going to swear. What the man now said was that whether you swear or not, that after you give birth, he's going to take your child to to the hospital and they will do DNA test. That is only when he will touch you. That if you want to swear, if you no want swear. So, but this time around, because of Ned Nwoko is using Koni way to follow Regina. When Regina came back, they were smiling. Hey, Ned Nwoko, you welcome us back. This and that. Regina is supposed to know that Ned is not whom she thought he is. The man is too cunning. The man that insists you must take oaths. The one that you took, you have not come out of it. Even though Regina told him that my father said I should never. Even self, Regina did not even is not supposed to tell her that her father said. She will tell her that she herself made up her mind that she will never take any oath. Although it's her father that told her. Because all this oath that she's taking with Ned Nwoko just to maintain staying with Ned, so that another person will not touch her and all of that, because of Ned Nwoko's insecurity. The thing is going to affect her in future. So her father have warned her that she should stop anything that is called oath. If Ned cannot trust her, let it be. Of course, he did not trust himself, so why would he trust Regina? So my correct people, now according to wetin we dey hear, Regina Daniel and Annie, as they were planning for their business, na im Ned Nwoko come tell Regina that she should fire Annie. She should fire Annie, that she doesn't want to see Annie close to her. And Regina was like, why? Why would she fire Annie? He said that any woman that cannot stay in her husband's marriage, that cannot maintain to live with her husband in her marriage, is not worth being a friend of a woman that is still in a marriage. Somehow, somehow, let's say the truth. There is atom of truth in this, but it's not in with Annie's condition, because Annie was not the one that said that she's not marrying again. Is it because of Regina then they even came back to him because of the pregnancy, and because of Regina have find a way to destroy the oath she took, the first one she took. She cannot destroy it and she decided to come back. What about Regina that said that she's not marrying him again? Imagine. Annie's own is that it was Tubaba who said that he's no longer interested. Tubaba went ahead while she was still in the hospital and married another woman. So her own is different. Even when she came back, she tried going back to Tubaba to tell you that she still need, as in the marriage, she's still interested in the marriage. But Tubaba fucked up. And people started advising Annie that she should carry on, move on with her life. Since Tubaba did not care again, let it not be as if he's begging Tubaba to marry her. If rather Tubaba went for Natasha, though according to what we dey hear, say Natasha dey use something dey hold Tubaba, that Tubaba is not even there with his clear eyes. But now, Ned Nwoko is telling Regina that he doesn't want to see her again with Annie, that she should dismiss Annie. Annie should leave his house. And before he will come back, he shouldn't meet Annie in the house again. And anything that is any relationship he has with Annie should cut. Since Annie cannot stay in her husband's house, that Annie is not worth being your friend. You that is in a man's house. My people. Regina Daniel said that one cannot happen. No. You know that Regina Daniel can be stubborn sometimes. Although she will have to obey because Ned is still her husband. As long as she have come back to her husband's house. Even what about the husband that said that he cannot touch her because of the pregnancy, that because he suspects her for going outside until she take an oath, and which she said that she's not going to take any oath. And I support her not to take any oath. Which kind of oath would be that one? If she continue to take the oath, Ned might push her into taking oath that even if Ned is fucking up, even if he's misbehaving, even if he want to buy her there, she will remain there. Anyway, guys, this is what I heard though. When I heard this one, I was like, Ned Nwoko, it's not good though. It's not good. At least Annie found happiness in Regina Daniel. It's not only in Regina Daniel, Sha. There is this her friend, the king, Sisiwa Savage, and the other guy, the other girl. These two are helping her, including her mother. She's just recovering. You know what she passed through. Now that Regina Daniel decided that the two of them should stay together and make her feel happy and accepted again, because Tubaba really fucked up. Now Ned Nwoko don start his own fuck up. Anyway, guys, he's the man of the house. Anything he says stands, because maybe Regina dey marry himself. People are even saying that Regina Daniel should obey the husband in everything. If whether to take oath, she should take oath. You that is saying that she should take oath, you go and take your own oath. Do you know the consequences of this oath? Do you know what the oath is going to result to later in the future? And people are saying that Regina should take oath. Anyway, guys, that is the gist. Please don't forget that all of these are alleged, because I no live with Regina nor Ned Nwoko. And the thing why they here is share with you, okay? Love you guys. Bye.